finish shooting. Go. Bye. Meet our driver. Amma looks so beautiful.
Yes, she does. And look at me.
I'm not in the frame. So the temple that you all just saw is the Vadakanatha temple. So it is a very well known temple and यहाँ पे त्रिशूरपुरम होता है ना. त्रिशूरपुरम is like a huge thing यहाँ पे and people come from all over Kerala to see the Puram and ये है वो जगह जहाँ पर त्रिशूरपुरम होता है. तो just wanted to show you all. And it's a very huge circle. Yeah, it is and it was so beautiful. धूप है लेकिन इधर वो लड़का ऐसे देख क्यों रहा है गधा. So this is the mall का entrance और it's a very huge mall and this is Minnu madam. So we thought we would click some pictures abhi and then we'll go shop. This is beautiful Amma with her matching mask and matching outfits.
ഈ മാസ്കില്ലേ സൗമുന്റെ അടുത്തൊന്ന് അടിച്ചു മാറ്റിയതാ.
So Saumu is my chitta.
സാനിറ്റൈസർ.
So please don't mind our close-up shot क्योंकि आवाज़ नहीं आएगा नहीं तो. And we are at Reliance Digital and we did our shopping at FBB. अभी हम थोड़ा कुछ घूमेंगे फिर खाएंगे और फिर निकलेंगे. So these guys are shopping for shoes.
ഇനി ഞങ്ങൾ കുറെ നാളെ കൂടി സബ്വേ കഴിക്കുന്നു.
तो अम्मा को सबवे बहुत पसंद है. So Minu wanted to have chicken leg piece. So yeah.
Chicken leg piece.
Woo! Look who's here. Fries. बहुत टाइम बाद वी आर ईटिंग अनहेल्दी फूड. तो उसकी खुशी दिख रही है मीनू के फेस पे. मीनू चमक रही है. आई डोंट नो वेयर टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम. We are back at the same place, chilling and having ice cream. Hi guys, so we are leaving. We are tired, super tired. My legs are hurting. Want to know कि हमने क्या क्या खरीदा है, तो we will be doing a mini haul घर पे जाके. जो हम लोगों ने सामान, we did not buy a lot of things. हमने बस थोड़े थोड़े चीजें जो necessities.
No, those are not necessities, but yeah,
but we needed it. Guys, we are sorry that we have been very inactive on our YouTube. We were trying our best, like पिछला महीना, if you check our account, you'll see that we were trying and posting at least one video a week, and that's all messed up right now. But we are going to be back on track and make sure that we post videos regularly. So the reason behind not posting videos since so long is that our great grandmom, if you all know her, you all might have seen her in the traveling vlog. The traveling vlog जो हम लोग बॉम्बे से केरला आए थे, वो वाला जो vlog था उसमें आपने देखा होगा. तो my great grandmom, she was 96 years old and she expired on 14th. We could not shoot and we did not have the time and we were not in the mind space to do all of that, so we did not. And now everything's normal and everything's back to normal. We still can't believe that she is no more there with us, but it is life. What it is, you know. So we will be back soon and our very first video will be this, I guess, and then we'll post our car wala. We have some fun stuff. Oh my god, we had done some challenges with our cousins and that'll be coming up soon, so stay tuned and we'll catch you guys in some time. So we will freshen up and we'll be right back in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so we'll quickly show you what we bought and then we'll wrap up the video. बहुत random चीजें, ऐसा कोई particular haul नहीं है, so just go with us.
Yeah.
So groceries, I don't know, this is a very necessary thing for us. It is everyday ka milk powder and we love this.
So we just have to add milk powder and coffee is ready. The next thing that we got is Venus ka razor. I know it's very random, but I needed it. Next, Scotch Brite.
That is mummy ka EXO.
This is EXO. We have a वीनिंग मेरे लिए बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. जस्ट वांटेड टू टेल यू ऑल ए वेरी रैंडम फैक्ट अबाउट मी कि मेरे पैर यहाँ पे जितने लंबे हैं.
So she has a very huge leg. I don't know why my leg as in foot जो है ना उसका it's very long.
It's broad and it's long as well.
तो इसलिए इजीली उसको चप्पल कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलता. ठीक है, उसको जो पसंद आता उसको कभी वो फिट नहीं होती. So पता नहीं क्या अनयूजुअल है उसका पैर, कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलता. ठीक है, so there is a store called Payless if you know. So हम लोग को Payless में मिलता है बिकॉज वहाँ पे 11 तक आई गेस साइज है, तो उसको 11 साइज हो जाती है. तो आज हमने Payless देखा तो मैंने लाइक Payless.
तो आई गॉट दीज शूज लाइक
एंड वहाँ पे ऑफर चल रहा था कि बाय वन गेट वन वाला. तो दिस इज फॉर 1500 और 1500 में हमको 2 मिला, मतलब एक है और एक अम्मा ने लिया है.
अदर वन इज दिस जो मेरी मम्मी ने लिया, ये है. तो 1500 में we got both of these shoes. So it's a pretty good deal. So yeah. Also, if you guys can see my red hair, then I colored it recently. And दूसरा हमने एक आयरन बॉक्स खरीदा क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो हमारे पास है वो बहुत ज़्यादा खराब है और हम लोगों को आयरन बॉक्स की सख्त ज़रूरत थी. तो So we did not shop crazy.
ओके
but
इसमें मैक्स के भी थोड़े हैं और एफबीबी के
हाँ.
थोड़े हैं, ठीक है. सो आई टेल यू, सो दिस इज, ओ माय गॉड, वी गेट मास्क विद
हाँ,
ड्रेस.
if you are going to Max, then you have to pick one of the kurtis because उसके साथ मैचिंग मास्क मिल रहा है guys.
So this is what my mom got for herself.
तो my mom came in and उन्होंने बोला कि प्राइस भी बताने के लिए because if you all are wondering, तो this costs 500 rupees, so you get a mask free में and this kurti, so it's for 500.
And then we got matching t-shirts.
I'll open the other.
This is one. This is for me and
This is for me.
No, and then this is for Amma.
Cute.
And it costs us 250 rupees. So 250 for one, और उसके बाद में 100 rupees off भी था. Next thing that ये मेरा है. ठीक है.
So the next thing that we got is a track pant from men's section and it costs rupees 599.
So the next thing is, oh yeah,
Yes.
this shorts is for Acha and it is for 300 rupees. Yeah,
Yeah.
299. This is the
And
and we got 2 skirts.
Yes.
So these are very beautiful.
So this is the waist and
And this is the border and it is very pretty and it has a very good gear. And
this one has a good gear and also we bought this because ये offer में था तो हम लोग को 1000 में 2 मिले 999 में.
And again we got a blue color. I don't know why, but we just liked this.
Yes.
So this is the waist, and this is a very simple thing with a border. Got very pretty nail paint.
अच्छा हाँ. So we got 2 shades. दोनों भी मैंने सिलेक्ट किए हुए हैं. क्या इधर देख के बोल ना बोल.
मतलब सिलेक्ट नहीं, उसने देखी बोली कि चुप हो गई.
ये देखो. So this is one of the shades. This is the powder blue shade and this is the sky blue shade. And
स्काई ब्लू नहीं है ये थोड़ा
turquoise. नहीं,
हाँ,
not turquoise.
मेरे को लग रहा है टील है या
Teal.
हाँ.
It's teal.
And it's very is for 75 rupees और
Each.
75 rupees में I guess it's very
So I guess बहुत ज़्यादा बकवास कर लिया और
And we had a lot of fun.
I guess that is it and it feels so good to be back and we are gonna push ourselves and try
So
and
we'll
post
try
at
our
least
best,
one
yeah.
video a week. So
it's not like we don't have content. हम लोग के पास ideas है, content है, but then I guess we really need to push ourselves and get to work.
get back and I guess that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like,
Comment
share
and subscribe.
and also do not forget to click on the bell icon so that
भूल गई. So that you get notified every time we post a new video.
Today.